Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to cover three things: stop all way, regular stop, and the yield sign. Watch this video till end, it's going to help you a lot. So we are going to approach to a yield sign. You can see that on the right hand side here is a yield sign. So that means we have to slow down and watch for the traffic from the left hand side, and once it's clear we can go. No need to stop. Just make sure that you will just slow down and move only when it's safe to do so. Going to make a left turn at the yield sign, we have to check both sides. We will scan both sides. So we're going to turn left signal on, slow down, check both sides and move when it's safe to do so. No need to stop. You will stop only if there is a vehicle. I'm going to approach to the stop sign and we will make a right turn. So you can see that the stop sign, we're going to turn right. So this stop sign is only for us. We have to come to a complete stop. We have to watch for a pedestrian. We have to watch for the traffic from the left hand side. Since we are going to make a right turn, so our concern has to be the right side. And we will watch on the left side if somebody is coming to cross or any vehicles. So check both sides, check blind spot and move only when it's safe to do so. I'm going to approach another stop sign and we're going to make a left turn. So you can see that this stop sign is only for us. So we will come to a complete stop since we are making left turn. So we have to watch for the traffic from the right hand side. We have to watch for the traffic from the left hand side and pedestrians. So first thing first, we will come to a complete stop as I did. Now we will watch if somebody is crossing in front of us, any pedestrian, maybe some kids are running or something. So nothing is there, I will creep up. And once it's clear, I will finish my turn. So move only when it's safe, take your time, no rush, because this stop sign is only for us, so we are responsible. Now my way is clear. I'm going to check blind spot and I will finish my turn. To approach at stop all way. So you can see that down there it says stop all way. That means everybody will come and they will stop and they will move only when it's safe. So stop all way means everybody has a stop sign. The stop all way is coming up. So we will come to a complete stop before solid white line. Like here, we have to come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Now we can go. No need to creep up because our visibility is very good. So at stop all way, always your visibility gonna be very good. So you can move once it's safe. I'm going to approach another stop all way. So come to a complete stop. If there is a vehicle in front of you, you must have to come to a stop again. A complete stop, we are turning left. So we came first, we're gonna go first. We are going to another stop sign. So there is a stop all way. Try to look from far. So down there you can see that it says stop all way. So we have to come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Scan both sides and we came first, we're gonna go first.